ये आप लोग जानते भी है, इसमें ऐसा कुछ बड़ा बताने की चीज नहीं होता है, सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट है। सपोज वी हैव एक व्हीकल है यहाँ, एक व्हीकल है यहाँ, ठीक है। अब आप लोग तो जानते हैं ना कि मान लीजिए एक कार में आप बैठे हुए हैं, मान लीजिए एक कार इधर है, एक कार इधर है। अब क्या हुआ कि कार, सपोज दिस इज कार ए एंड दिस इज कार बी. If this car is moving with speed 8 meter per second and B is moving with 5 meter per second. So if you see it from B, if you look at A from B, look at A from B, then how much velocity you will see? You can on the road, if you are having two cars, one is moving with 8 meter per second and second one is moving with 5 meter per second. So if you look from B to A, how much speed you will see?
3 meter.
3. The velocity of A with respect to B from B, from where you are seeing, that is the frame of minus 8 minus 5, so that is 3 meter per second, and this is pronounced as velocity of A with respect to B, or relative velocity of A with B, with respect to B, relative velocity of A with respect to B. Here B is the frame of reference, means with respect to B means with respect to B we are seeing everything. So B is the reference thing. B is called frame of reference here, because from there we are measuring. Means a observer will be in the car B and from there he is taking the measurement. So B is called frame of reference. Similarly, if you just reverse the case, if some other person is on car A and if he is looking at car B, so from look at B from A. So in this case, the velocity of B with respect to A we can write as VB minus VA, that would be 5 minus 8, so minus 3 meter per second. So what will happen that from A, since A is having higher speed, from A the person will see that the car B is going in the backward direction with 3 meter per second speed. So this is the concept of relative velocity. And so here in this case, suppose this is see, B is having slower velocity, so B will be having lesser slope. So this is B, VB. We are drawing the velocity. We are drawing the position time graph for the two objects. So this is for B and this is for A. Okay. So from this graph you can conclude that B was ahead of A initially. At t equal to 0, B was ahead. As time progresses, since B has lesser speed, at some time t naught, the B will overtake A. This is the overtaking point.
So here A has greater speed.
A is having greater speed. the same thing we have taken, that is 8 meter per second. So that we are showing overtaking is at this point, and velocity of A is greater than velocity of B. Okay, so you can represent the relative motion like this on a graph. Is it clear? ठीक है, इसका क्वेश्चन तो हम लोग किए थे रिलेटिव मोशन का, मिनिमम डिस्टेंस निकालना था, वो सब लास्ट चैप्टर में हम लोग किए थे.